everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a look at our 2018 Volvo XC60 T6 R-Design. With just over 71,000 miles, this all-wheel drive luxury SUV does feature a 2-liter turbocharged engine, and it does have a clean car fax with one previous owner. In the front, you will find this Volvo well equipped with high-intensity headlamps with LED daytime running lamps, accompanied by front proximity sensors and a front-facing camera. And making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you can see a 21-inch two-tone machined aluminum alloy wheel, really beautiful here, wrapped up in like new tires, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside of this luxury SUV, you will find it well equipped with turn signal indicators integrated in the mirror cap, brushed aluminum trim with passive door entry. Looking inside, you will be met with a lot of nice elements such as leather, white stitching, a touch of chrome and brushed aluminum, and high gloss black. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this gorgeous SUV. Of course, once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these beautiful R-Design seats, leather bolstered with your suede insert. Both have power and both are heated. And located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection. Here you can see the front tires are 5/32 and the rears are 6s, and the brake pads are green, ready to go for the next buyer. And guys, we do this so you guys don't have to put money into the wearable shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Looking into the back seats, your passengers will have plenty of space, and they're going to enjoy features like rear climate vents, a fold-down cup holder with storage, carpeted floor mats, and 12-volt charging. And making our way to the rear of this beautiful Volvo, you can see you have dual exhaust with your chrome trim and high-definition rear camera. This particular Volvo is equipped with a powered liftgate and plenty of space in the rear here. And as you can see, this vehicle is equipped with power folding seats, so let's go ahead and demonstrate that. And you will have a nice privacy cover as well. And then you will also have some neat features here. You will also have a programmable height for the rear. So let's go ahead, see if I can demonstrate that. So that will lower the end for easy exit and entrance for your cargo space. And to put the liftgate down, you can access that on your key fob or just push the button right there. Very convenient. And making our way to the driver door, you will notice your powered options such as memory seating and powered door locks, powered mirror adjustments, and powered windows. And this Volvo is equipped with premium audio. Looks like we have Bowers and Wilkins audio. Sounds really great. Upon startup, you can see just over 71,000 miles on this Volvo. And right here you have a very bright gauge cluster here. Really nice graphics here from Volvo. Let's take a look at some of the mounted controls here on the steering wheel. To the left, you'll have some cruise control options and some selectors for that center screen. Sport paddle shifters at the rear of the steering wheel. And here you will have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth with smartphone integration. And making our way to the middle here, we can see our Bowers and Wilkins premium sound and our nice touchscreen display here. High gloss black surrounding that, very nice and classy here. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the options here in our infotainment system. And bringing our attention to our center display and infotainment system here, you can see this Volvo is equipped with your 9-inch touchscreen display, fully equipped with onboard navigation, FM, AM, XM radio, and of course your Bluetooth connectivity with smartphone integration, and of course your high-definition rear camera. And as you can see, you have a 360 view here, a nice bird's eye view with plenty of options for your safety and convenience. Another great feature here, as you can see, you have your climate readout here, and you can adjust that in your settings right on your touchscreen display. And of course you have your options for your heated seats and your heated steering wheel. Further down, we'll have some simple radio controls and some defrost options along with your 4-ways with your nice leather wrap shifter with a manual shift option here with your paddle shifters. And down below, you can see that's your push button start, or actually, we don't consider this a push button start. So if I just push that, that'll turn the car off. And if I turn that to the right, that will start the car. That is signature Volvo right there. And then you do have a drive mode selector, auto start and stop, and an electronic parking brake. Bringing our attention up top to our frameless rear view mirror, you will see you have your compass integrated right into the glass seamlessly, and you will have integrated garage door openers, and you can program up to 3. And of course up top you have your bright LED map lights and controls for your panoramic sunroof. Other great features I'd like to point out will include your heated windshield wipers, power folding mirrors with blind spot, and illuminated door handles. And under the hood, you will have a very impressive 2-liter turbocharged engine producing up to 316 horsepower. And as you can see, very clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this Volvo has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In this last portion of the video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Volvo. Keep in mind it is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect. We like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. This one is exceptionally clean for the year and mileage, 2018, with just over 71,000 miles. So let's go ahead and get into it here in the front. Minimal stone chippings, but you will have some small cosmetic blemishes here as far as stone chips here in the front. Really nice finish here on this bright red clear coat. High gloss black trim is in really good shape. Even your Volvo badging with your front camera, really good. Not a lot of chipping there. And here on these bottom bumper pieces, high gloss black, you will have some wear and tear, but otherwise really good shape. I did want to mention your headlamps are very clear, no hazing, no cracks, so no condensation buildup up. So very important. You are going to have a little bit of curb rash here on the front right wheel. Other than that, really good shape. Let's take a look at the mirror cap. Very good shape, not a lot of cosmetic blemishes at all. And bringing our attention to the backside of these door handles here, minimal scuffs, which is typical of vehicles in general, but pretty good shape here as you can see. So let's go ahead and take a look inside in the interior. I did want to mention no odors, no smoke odors here at All Things Automotive. It's very important to us here. Now here you will have some slight discoloration on the leather, and over on the driver's side seat you will have 2 discoloration spots right there. Otherwise very good shape. The door cards here are in good shape. Let's take a look at the back seat. Suede and leather, all in good shape here. And on the trim on the back of these seats, this hard shell, no scratches or anything like that. No deep scratches on that door card. These tail lamps are clear, no cracks, no condensation buildup, which is really important. All the way up here to the roof, no dents or dings to the vehicle body. We like to take care of that before we even put these out. We do a paintless dent repair here. We have a specialist that comes in. Slight blemish here on the driver's side rear door, as you can see. And then on the driver's side, you will have some scuffs. Driver's side mirror cap, really good shape. All your brushed aluminum trim here, really good shape. Beautiful vehicle here today, Volvo. If you have any questions, give us a call at All Things Automotive at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or go to allthingsautomotive.com where you can shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy. Only takes 10 minutes. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McCarthyville, Pennsylvania. Just to recap, we just took a look at a 2018 Volvo. This is the XC60, the all-wheel drive with the R-Design, loaded with tons of features, plenty of space. Really beautiful car here today. Again, my name's Trent. I hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day. Please like and subscribe.